Morning children, welcome back to math session. In yesterday's class we have discussed exercise 1.3, 4, 5 and 6 sums. Okay, exercise 1.3, 4, 5 and 6 sums. Now today we are going to finish up 7th and 8th and exercise 1.4 leftover sums also. So by today 95% I am planning to complete the syllabus because first chapter itself is there for you in examination, okay, and even worksheets, and worksheets is given clearly what are the worksheets to be prepared for your examination. Okay children, is it clear? Now let us begin the 7th sum. See here I am reading out the 7th question children. In a class test containing 10 questions, first I'll read the question clearly, then I'll go for the explanation. Okay, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer. Incorrect means wrong answer, and 0 marks for questions not attempted. That means which is unable to write, means he did not even attempt a small thing also in the paper, for that no marks, that means 0 marks for that. Okay, now basing on that they gave the 3 questions. Okay, how many questions? 3 questions. The first question is Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? That is first question. Second question, Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? That is second question. Now third question, Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. Out of 7 questions she attempts. Out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? Okay. The third question once again you see. Hence Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions. She attempts only. What is her score? So completely 3 questions based on the first topic, that is 7th question. Okay, now we will plan how to do the sum. Okay, here I'll explain, and notes as usual you can follow the pick for CW. Okay children, get ready. Okay children, now see here explanation. Here in a class test containing 10 questions, that means here I am writing 10 questions. Okay, 5 marks awarded for correct answer. Okay, for correct I will write simply here correct. For correct answers she will score 5 marks, she or he. For every correct answer 5 marks. Okay, next, and every correct answer and minus 2 marks awarded for incorrect. Incorrect means wrong one. Incorrect, minus 2 marks. Okay, so total how many questions are there? 10 questions. For every correct answer they are giving 5 marks. For every incorrect answer minus 2 marks, and no marks for not attempting. That means not attempt. Not attempt 0 marks. Okay, not attempt 0 marks. Okay, if you plan like this you can understand easily all the 3 questions. Now coming to the first question in that, Mohan gets 4 correct answers. Here I am writing here Mohan. Okay, only explanation part. Notes you know how I am giving. Mohan. Now Mohan gets 4 correct answers, means 4 into 5, because each correct answer 5 marks. So 4 5s are 20 marks for correct answers is scored. 4 5s are 20. Next, and 6 incorrect answers. 6 incorrect answers means 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Okay, see here Mohan 4 plus 6, total 10 questions. Mohan attempted all the 10 questions, and in that he scored 5 marks for correct answer. That means how many you got correct answers? 4. 4 correct answers he got. So 4 into 5, 20. He got wrong answers. How many answers wrong? 6. 6 answers are wrong. Each wrong answer carries 2 marks. 6 into minus 2, 12 marks. So again you have to check the questions also. Here 6 and here 4. So total 10 questions. Okay. Now he is asking that what is his score? That means total score of Mohan. So I am writing here. How many? Total 20 marks. 4 5s are 20 plus we have to add minus 12. That means for 10 questions he got 20 plus minus 12. Why? 20 marks allotted for 4 correct answers. Minus 12 marks allotted for incorrect. Okay. Now 20 minus plus into minus minus 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. That means total Mohan scored 8 marks. Is it clear? Mohan scored 8 marks. Next, second question now children. Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. Okay. So now I am writing here Reshma gets 5. She attempted how many questions? 5 questions. 5 questions. But each question carries correct answer 5 marks. So 5 5s are 25 marks. Reshma scored for correct answers 25 marks. And still 5 more questions she attempted wrong. So 5 into minus 2. That is minus 10. So once check it whether she attempted all the 10 questions or not. 5 and 5. So she attempted 10 questions. Okay. Now total marks of Reshma. 25 marks plus minus 10 equals to 25 plus into minus minus 10 equals to 5 minus 0 5, 2 minus 1 1. So 15 marks scored by Reshma and Mohan scored 8 marks. Now the last question in this. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect. How many? 2 correct. Who? Hina. 2 correct answers. 2 correct answers means 2 into 5. 2 5s are 10 marks. Okay. And 5 incorrect answers out of 7. Hina gets 2 correct answers for correct answers 2. That means she attempted only 2 questions for correct. So 2 5s are 10 marks. And 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect. 5 incorrect means 5 into minus 2. That is minus 10. But here if you clearly observe here 2 questions and 5 questions. Means only 7 questions finished. Only 7 questions finished. But total how many questions did they have to attempt? 10 questions. But Hina, she attempted only 2 right answers and 5 wrong answers. Total 7 questions only she attempted. She did not attempt 3 questions. Why? Because 5 plus 2 7. So 10 minus 7 3. So 3 questions not attempted. For not attempted how many marks? They are giving 0. So 3 into 0 equals to 0 marks. Okay. So total 10. Check it. 2 plus 5. 5 plus 3. 10. So 10 questions. Now Hina's total scored 10 marks plus of minus 10 plus 0. Because not attempted also. So 10 plus into minus minus 10 plus 0. So total 0 marks. Okay. Total 0 marks scored by Hina. Okay children. Okay children. See the next question, that is 8th question there. A cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement sold and loss of 5 rupees per bag of grey cement sold. There are 2 different colors of cement, that is white cement and grey color cement. Okay, now the first question there. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. So, in a month means one month. What is this profit or loss? That is first question in 8th Roman. Next, in that second question, page number 22, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? That means he don't have profit, he don't have loss. Okay, you don't have profit, you don't have loss. But if the number of grey bags sold 6,400 bags, okay, what is the number of white cement bags is asking? Means is asking how many white cement bags he sold, okay, when no profit, no loss, but they sold grey bags, 6,400 grey bags they sold. Okay. Now listen clearly again, once again question. Here a cement company earns a profit 8 rupees per bag of white cement. Okay children, see here white cement and grey cement. Okay, so this is the 8th question children. Now the cement company earns a profit of 8 rupees per bag of white cement. Per bag, per means one bag, per means one. So one bag cost 8 rupees. And loss of 5 per kg means grey bags sold for 5 rupees loss. So for one bag they lost 5 rupees per bag. Per bag means one. So for one bag, when they are selling grey bags, they lost 5 rupees per bag. When white bags they are selling, for one bag they lost profit. This one is profit, this one is loss. So profit 8 rupees per bag. Here loss 5 rupees per bag. While selling grey, while selling white, profit 8 rupees. Now come to the first question. The company sells 3000 bags of white cement. So white cement bags, how many they sold? 3000. And 5000 grey bags. 5000 grey bags. So how many white bags they sold? 3000. How many grey bags they sold? 5000. Okay. Now listen carefully children. Take profit as positive. Plus 8. Take profit as plus 8. Loss with negative symbol, minus 5. Okay. Profit, take plus 8 because gain more. Loss, take minus symbol. So it will understand very easily question. Now, how many white bags they sold? 3000. 3000 into per bag, how much they got profit? 8 rupees. So 3000 into 8. 8 zeros are 0, 0, 0. 8 threes are 24. So 24,000 rupees profit while selling white bags. Now, grey bags, just consider as while selling for loss, take as minus 5. So 5000 bags, grey bags they sold into minus 5. So that is 5 5s are 25, 0, 0, 0, minus. Now total together, white bags and grey bags total together, he get profit or loss is asking. What is his profit or loss is asking. Okay, at the end is asking profit or loss or whether he gain or loss is asking. Gain or profit both are same meaning. Now to that add these two children. To 24,000 plus of minus 25,000. Because when they sell together, no? So white bags they sold 3000 and grey bags they sold 5000. So total how many bags they sold, you know everything. Now how much amount you got while selling 3000 bags? This much amount. While selling 5000 bags you got this much amount. Now simplify this. 24,000 minus 25,000. So 25 minus 24 is 1. So 1000. So here big number is minus 25. So minus 1000. That means while selling like this, he got 1000 rupees. Means 1000 rupees loss. Why? How you can say 1000 rupees loss? Because the answer you got in negative. The answer you got in negative. If you got the answer in positive, you can say that he got profit. But here you got the answer is negative, so you can say that he got loss. So loss, he got 1000 rupees. So he lost 1000 rupees. Is it clear? Now coming to the next question. Okay children, now see B bit in that. Now again same topic you have to take. White bags 8 per kg. That means profit 8 rupees per kg. That is plus we are taking as a profit, and loss, that is 5 rupees. That is 5 rupees for selling grey bags, that we can consider as minus symbol. Okay, same. Now coming to the B bit. What is the number of bags? Number of white bags. What is the number of white bags? It must sell to have neither profit nor loss. That means he did not give how much profit or how much loss. That means there is no profit, there is no loss. So 0. Profit plus loss together 0. There is no profit, there is no loss. So profit plus loss together he got 0. There is no profit, there is no loss. But here he gave some clues to find out here. What is the number of white bags? He is asking how many white bags. We don't know how many white bags. We will take some x. X means some how many bags we don't know. No? So that's why we are taking as some x number of bags. So x white number of bags. Okay, white cement bags we are considering as x. But he sold grey bags 6,400 bags. 6,400. Now similarly same like before. Okay, how many white bags he sold? X. So x into profit, that means 8 rupees. So 8 into x, because number of bags into 8 rupees. So 8x. 8 into x, 8x. Okay. Next, you are learning algebra. I think you know very well. So 8 into x, 8x. You already learned in 6th standard now algebra how to multiply like this. Now 64,000. So 6,400, not 64. Not 64,000, 6,400 into minus 5. Okay. Now 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 22, 5 sixes are 30 plus 2, 32. So minus 32 you got. Now 8x and minus 32,000. That means white bags, listen very carefully. Here is asking to find out for us. మనల్ని అడుగుతున్నాడండి. How many white bags? ఎన్ని white bags? Neither profit, neither loss. అసలు ఏమీ లేదంట. ప్రాఫిట్ లేదు, లాస్ లేదు. కానీ వైట్ బ్యాగ్స్ ఎన్ని అమ్మాడు? వైట్ బ్యాగ్స్ ఎన్ని అమ్మితే రెండు ఈక్వల్, ప్రాఫిట్ లేదు, లాస్ లేకుండా ఎలా ఉన్నాడు? ఈజ్ ఆస్కింగ్ ద క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే, నౌ వైట్ బ్యాగ్స్ మనకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ యాజ్ ఎన్ ఎక్స్. సో అలా ఎంత ప్రాఫిట్ కమ్మాడు పర్ బ్యాగ్? 8 రూపీస్. సో x ఇంటూ 8, 8x. నెక్స్ట్ గ్రే బ్యాగ్స్ ఎంత కమ్మాడు సార్? 5 రూపీస్ లాస్ కమ్మాడు కాబట్టి నెగిటివ్ సింబల్ యూ హ్యావ్ kept. Now like that grey bags how many he sold? 6,400. So if you multiply these two, minus 32,000. అంటే white bags plus grey bags అంటే profit plus loss. ఇదేమో profit, this one is loss. So profit plus loss equals to 0. Why 0? Because no profit, no loss. Profit యాడ్ చేసినా లాస్ యాడ్ చేసినా మనకి ఏమీ లేదు. There is no problem at all. So 0. అసలు లాస్ బిజినెస్ ఏమీ లేదనమాట, 0 అలా ఉండిపోయారు. ఓకే, నౌ ప్రాఫిట్ హౌ మచ్ యూ గాట్? 8x ప్లస్ లాస్ హౌ మచ్? minus 32,000 equals to 0. Okay, now in linear equations you learn, and I told you some of the examples also basing on this model to find x. 8x equals to 0. This minus 32 will go that side, means what? Minus transposition. I think you learned this a word. Transposition means it's changing the position. So minus 32 will go that side, means it will become plus 32,000. So 8x equals to 32,000, because if you add any number to the 0, you will get same answer. Now if you want x, manaki x kavali. X means 8x means what is the meaning, you know? 8 into x. 8x means, you know, 8 into x. Into will go that side, what will happen, you know? Division. So 32,000 by 8. So 8 ones, 8 fours are 32 and zeros. So x is equals to 4,000. What is x? Number of white bags. Ante 4,000 white bags ammite 4,000 white bags ammite vadiki profit ledu, loss ledu. Understood? 4,000 white bags he sold means there is no profit, there is no loss. Okay children, is it clear? And in that 9th question is there, you can take that one as a homework children. Okay, 9th question you can take it as a homework. Now all of you open the next exercise. Okay, next exercise 1.4 children. In that we finished first Roman and second Roman I have to give for you homework. Okay, because already I told you the same model with plus and into. So you can do it for the same as a homework. Third question, fill in the blanks, you already did. Now fourth question I am teaching you. Okay. Now see the fourth question here in exercise 1.4. Write 5 pairs of integers a comma b such that a divided by b equals to 1 by 3. Pairs means 2. A comma b is a pair. Now he has given that a divided by b equals to minus 3. That means if you divided these two pairs a and b, you should get answer minus 3. Ante a value we don't know, b value we don't know. You have to select a and b, but answer should get minus 3. A value meeku edaina teesukochu, b value you can take as your own. Ante meeku ఏ number కావాలంటే number తీసుకోవచ్చు. బట్ మీరు ఏ నెంబర్ తీసుకున్న 2 నెంబర్స్, ఆ 2 నెంబర్స్ని డివైడ్ చేస్తే ఇఫ్ యూ డివైడ్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు గెట్ minus 3. ఓకే, నౌ హియర్ వి గేవ్ వన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. హియర్ ఒక పేర్ ఇచ్చాడండి. హియర్ he gave one example that is 6 minus 2 he gave. In textbook he gave 6 minus 2. Why 6 minus 2 he gave one pair means we have to check this one. See, 6 divided minus 2. 6 divided by minus 2 you do 6 by minus 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. So minus 3. So you got minus 3 answer. So this is A and this is B. So this is A and this is B. So like that, can you tell any such number, such pairs? అంటే ఇంకేమైనా పేర్స్ చెప్పగలరా మీరు? But you should get the answer minus 3. Okay, can you tell any other answers, such answers like that? I'll tell you one pair here. 9 and minus 3. 9 comma minus 3. I'll check whether 9 comma minus 3 is correct or not. 9 divided by minus 3. 9 by minus 3. 3 ones, 3 threes. So minus 3 is the answer. So you got minus 3. So 9 comma minus 3. So the pair is correct. Is it clear children? So like that, he is asking how many like that? 5 pairs. So already I gave you an example of 5 pair. So 2 more 4. Okay. Here I am telling you one more pair here. 12 comma minus 4. 12 comma minus 4. We will check it. So 12 divided by minus 4. So 4 table 12 3 times. So minus 3. So you got minus 3. So 2 pairs I told. Remaining pairs also I will do it and I will send you the classwork. Okay children? And is that Is clear now? So fourth question also over. Now fifth and seventh I'll explain in tomorrow's class. Fifth and seventh in tomorrow's class I'll explain, and I'll wind up the chapter. Means complete chapter is over. All exercises are completed. And yesterday I gave you worksheets 1, 2 and 3, and I think in today's class I am sending, you can go through your answers and check your answers. If any wrong answers, please correct immediately. And today more to worksheets I am giving you. Okay, write down your homework, children. Maths homework in your diary. 29/06/21. Okay, Tuesday. Exercise 1.4. Okay, page number 26. 1.4, what over now? First Roman over second Roman 2, and you can do sixth sum also, because sixth sum just now explained, like 3 marks for correct answer, minus 2 marks for negative answer, means incorrect, like that model. Same model, children, just very near to that same model, that which I explained just now in this video only. Recently I explained in this video the same model. So you do your own, children. The sixth question you can do your own. Exercise 1.4, second question and sixth question. So both are homework for you. Is there anything left for an exercise 1? Yeah, in 1.3 we left with ninth sum. Write that one also. Exercise 1.3. Okay, page number 22. Ninth sum. So this is your complete homework for today, as well as extra homework I am giving you. This is extra work. No problem, you have to do hard work. Worksheet up to 3 over. So 4, 5 is your work. Worksheet 4 and 5. Okay. How many you can do? You can do 4 and 5 worksheet sums. If any sums you did not get, you just send me a message. I am sending the worksheet answers also in the next day. Okay. So in examinations you have even worksheets also. Okay. So by today we are finishing up to 5 worksheets. Okay, children, according to the syllabus, till 2 or more are there. So we'll finish up by tomorrow. So have a nice day, children, and copy the CW clearly and get it signed by me tomorrow if you come to school. Okay, so get ready with your CW. Only CW can. Homework, however, I am sending the answers, you can real checking, no? So no problem. Classwork book, especially classwork book, you have to bring it and submit, and immediately we will give it back to you. Okay, have a nice day, children.